Well, we got the instrumental playing in the background. I want to know if he can deal with his vibe the way he's supposed to deal with his vibe.
So darling, know your waist ain't pretty. The way you roll that thing control me. Oh Lord, when you push back on me, I can't let go of your body. Man, just break the neck when you push back. You just pass the test when you push back. You lose your eye contact when you look back. You push back just like that. Arch your back, push back, bend over, roll it, y'all. Arch your back, push back, bend over. Woo! It's the way you stick it. No cap, I want drill it. Darling, bring your body, come. Take walk, don't run. This one for the whining champions. This one for the bubbling queens. So tight up on me, baby. Nobody can get in between we.
Pull up. Woo. Pull up. Let's rock.
Well, you hear him live. Here in the studio with we. Gotta say good morning, and welcome to the Mood in the Morning. This is the Sunrise Sitdown. That brand new fire, MagicX. What you telling yourself, soldier?
Man, idea. Look, I in the mood right now. That's all I can say. I in the mood. Shadz, Uncle Shadz, you got me in the mood right now, releasing the Archer Back.
And is that? That's what we just say. Everybody just say, that is it. I say, and is that? Because that's how it's supposed to be.
Yes.
So, MagicX, it's been a moment, man, that you've been doing. I mean, come on, I've been on stage with you. I've seen you perform. I've seen you with your band control that you've been with for a minute now as that front man.
Correct.
You understand? This is your brand new track, Arch Your Back. I liking the vibe. I liking the energy. It's smooth. You know what I mean? It's for the ladies. Then when you talk to the ladies, them it's like, yeah. When you tell her arch her back is ladies bend over. And it's that. You know what I'm saying? So
but I think I think though bending is one thing, Bending. We ask you to bend. Because anybody could bend,
Yeah.
Anybody could bend. But arching your back, there's a technique.
Yeah, the arch kind of
there's
special.
A technique that you have to be able to do that.
Hey you. Because you notice you are talking to. You can do that, right?
Get unlocked,
Yeah, I have to talk to her. Hey, you could do that.
Yeah.
And it's there. Yeah, so, but what is the experience like being in this position that you are in now, doing music with Rock N Vibes, Mr. Rude, who has been there? What's the experience like? Work for me, I would say, what is the experience like working with a prolific producer like Mr. Rude? Because I just say everybody can make music, but everybody can produce music.
Correct.
Some just take it personal when I say the things I say, but I keep it full 100 and keep it as real can be.
Critique is critique.
Yeah, if it ain't good, and this is the thing with me, if it ain't bumping, if it can't stand up with the rest, then it don't make no sense to me.
Correct.
You understand? As me being a recording artist as well, I pull back from recording, and as Mr. Roots, I'm making hits, but radio is getting people to enjoy what you play. You understand? So it's always about the music. So it can be old, it can be new, it can be in between. And this is a new vibe. You understand? Because the smooth groove is what it is. When I go back and I listen to all the soca music I've been listening to throughout the years, the groove has picked up a thing. We need to get back to power, but the groove is picking up a thing. You know what I'm saying? So what is it like? Talk to Sunshine City, talk to the people and let them know what Magic got prepared for this kind of launch, this kind of movement, and this kind of energy and vibe.
Well, first off, what it's like, I can say that it's driving me. Having a manager now set in place who's putting things together and making sure that I'm on the road and in the lane that I'm supposed to be in. It's a blessing. It's more than I could have asked for, but it's what I needed. As an artist, especially as a St.Maarten artist who now needs direction to get to that bigger stage. Because we've been gracing the stage. Me and you, we've touched the stage together. Here in St.Maarten.
Yeah.
But now I want to be able to touch the stage in bigger places, see bigger crowds, sing for different people, different demographics, of course. Mm-hmm. And of course, having a manager who has that picture in mind already, has that aim, knows where we're going, is perfect. That's what I do.
Okay, so I've heard you, and I'm going to touch on that because with me, the Sunrise Sitdown is never about question and answer. It's about conversation. And throughout this conversation, I've heard you say it twice already. You understand? Which is amazingly cool. So it's not just Rock N Vibe, the production company, but Rock N Vibe is your management team.
Correct.
All right. So you see, you gotta explain and get it going and know what it is. So
everybody knows.
Yeah, for real. So the contact now is not just contacting Magic; it's contacting Rock N Vibe.
Correct.
In order to get
Correct.
Magic.
Correct. The team.
Right. And I guess that it's that movement for that elevation. You understand? And are you gonna be doing? I've seen you doing a radio tour because you stopped off before that to my counterparts on the other side.
Your neighbors,
101. You know, we're all in the same building as our one family, but hey, you know how we do it here on 105. And then you're in here. So would you be doing not just when I say radio tours, because with my person being an artist, an entertainer that moves around, in order for what everybody would see me on the road. Now it's Uncle Shadz because I'm back in radio, but before that, my name had changed to White Line for some strange reason. Everywhere I go, it's just White Line. But in order to reach the level that track did reach on, it took movement. So not just touching St.Maarten stations, but are you going to be doing a radio tour throughout the Caribbean? Because in order for your music to get out there, I always say a hit is not a hit until the whole world hear it. So would you be traveling the world doing these radio tours?
Right. So of course, as an artist, you have to start at home.
Correct, is
you
right.
Understand? You got to start where the foundation is being built, you know. And so I can say that this week and next week is dedicated to all my radio hosts on St.Maarten, who we appreciate and who Rude, of course, appreciates. You know, because at the end of the day, you got to show the love at home first.
I don't feel I need to end this day without getting a dub plate or getting a liner because Rude know how we just do this.
I thought you were going to get it already, but if you want it now, we could do it now.
We don't do this.
Yeah, Rude got me prepared for anything right now.
Good. I like that.
But of course, there's some big news in the work. There are some big plans in the works. Let me say it like that, you know. But of course, like I said, I have to start at home. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm making sure that the foundation is built home, and then when I'm ready to start to touch those other places and do different radio tours in other places, then you know we gone, you know. But I mean, for all the MagicX fans, stick around, be supportive, you know. We getting ready to do some big things like Uncle Shadz said, you know. You gotta be able to go to different places and be able to sell your brand and put your brand in places that need it, you know, that expects greatness. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're planning. That's what we're working on.
All right. Well, you know, it's always a pleasure having you here in the studios, Magic's. Definitely, we be definitely looking out for this. This is gonna become a part of my playlist.
Okay, good.
This is one thing. I don't pretend with it because I know what it takes. You know, so I know you have a lot of work ahead of you. I know there's gonna be a lot of sleepless nights. There's gonna be a lot of headaches for you and your team because it's the industry that we live in.
Correct.
You understand? And it's the movement. But I am going to make sure I do my part to get it out there to the rest of the world.
We appreciate
I will let them know that this is MagicX. You understand? Ladies, don't just bend. You understand? Arch your back.
Yeah, Uncle.
You understand?
Repeat that, please. Repeat that. Repeat
don't
that so
just
they know.
bend. And ladies, you know, I'm talking to all you. I'm talking to all you because of the seat. You understand? Right leg is Thanksgiving, left leg is Christmas. In the middle of the holidays is where I want to come to visit, so you know. Arch your back is what it's about. It's MagicX. Don't just bend, ladies. Arch your back. Magic, you got anything else you want to tell the public and all my online listeners? Because let me let you know.
Go ahead.
I don't pretend with it. When you hear me say Sabre Station, St. Kitts, Nevis, Antigua, Montserrat, the UK, the US of A, the Netherlands, and of course Accra, Ghana, because it's true. My listeners are global. They follow me wherever I go and they listen to what I play. Because basically I play what I want. You understand? So talk to those people and let them know and things you have to say before we close this.
For those of you who are not fans yet and you've heard the song, you know you're a fan of Uncle Shadz, you're a fan of MagicX, all right? For those of you who want to be able to listen to the song is out on all streaming platforms. You can check the lyric video out on YouTube, all right? We're going to be making, hopefully soon, we're going to be making that karaoke version so you can sing it anywhere you want to sing it, all right? But first of all, I want to thank you guys for listening to Uncle Shadz, and thank you for giving me that chance also to be able to promote and push my music to y'all, all right? So keep supporting. I hope you become supporters of me too. Let's do this thing.
Nah, they've been supporters of you, you know. Don't ask them again.
Okay, good.
Tell them.
Good.
You understand?
Good.
Yeah. log in, log on, don't play with it. It's MagicX, arch your back. Drop it one, tell the people them, cause I can play it again. Tell the people that.
Darling, know your waistline pretty. You make whining look so easy. Oh Lord, when you push back on me, I can't let go of your body. Man, just break the neck when you push back. You just pass MagicXO, Rock N Vibes. This is an island vibe.
Yes, it's MagicX, arch your back. Ladies, set you down, lock it in. It's a midweek Wednesday morning. This was a Sunrise Sitdown. Gentlemen, thank you so much for coming through. Appreciate love for your full 100. For real. This is a big tune, and we're gonna make it a bigger tune. It's going global. MagicX to the world. Arch your back. One more time, ladies. Ladies.
To the XO, Rock N Vibes. This is an island vibe.